Okay, so we are chalking, not we, but Adele is chalking the
Hey,
peacock. Here she is.
We're in the
Hi.
hotel room and we left the quilt show vendor event planning to chalk. But this is what happens when you forget the squeegees at the site. So we are chalking with our room key. I don't know, it could get ugly. Not only are we chalking with the room key, but we're chalking with the room key and we're doing the peacock of all things.
The peacock.
Which requires a little bit of finesse. So we don't know what's gonna happen, but it's just chalk, right? So now I'm gonna, keeps going back. I have to quit doing that. Okay. Desperate times call for desperate measures. All right, now it's out of my way. So this is what happens when you don't have a squeegee. Luckily we had these little stir sticks. Otherwise we'd be in a whole lot of trouble. So we had a good day today. We just got back from dinner, had a great dinner. And a cookie with, oh my gosh, ice cream. Mylanta, it was delicious. Might need some Mylanta. So we had ribs, I love ribs. Okay, so if you're desperate like we are in this situation, you will do anything to chalk. Because we need to show this for our show tomorrow. So I am just working a little bit at a time and making a mess of it all. So here we go, and I think that's Tide Teal we're using, I'm not sure. There we go. I'll just fold that over too. Let that sit there for a moment so it can dry while I clean my room key slash squeegee slash we broke the last two. Well, we didn't break them, they just quit working, so we had to go get new ones. Anyway, it's drying. It should be fine, I'm sure. I'm sure it's fine. Okay. What are we doing absolutely?
Do you want that blow
in?
driver?
What are we doing absolutely in? What did we decide?
I thought white. Don't you want white?
Absolutely. And fabulous too in white.
We could, and then do the peacock in all the
Is
colors.
anybody commenting and helping us? Hey everybody, if you like this video, please click on the subscribe button and then hit the bell icon. And don't forget to visit my website. Thank you.